Hey, good afternoon. I'm Scott. We're here to do a little bit of unique math that may help you out the next time you're doing some homework. I know that a lot of my students tend to have, get a little confused sometimes, but also would like another way to think about positive and negative numbers. Here's one way that I think most people can relate to. If we're adding a couple of numbers, let's say we have positive 5 and we're adding negative 8. Oh, what the heck? Let's put a couple more numbers on there. Negative 3 and positive 6. And positive 2. How about that? All a bunch of numbers. You know, you get to a problem like this and there's so many signs and so many things to look at that sometimes students will get confused. Well, here's one way to look at this. Look at each number individually since we have a big addition problem here. And one thing that I know I can relate to, and perhaps you can as well, is sports. We have two teams here and they're playing against each other. You have the positive team and you have the negative team. And we want to see who wins the game. So here's how it works. The positive team, let's say you're playing baseball, top of the first inning, scores 5 runs. The negative team then scores 8 runs. What's the score right now? 8-5. Which team is winning? The negative team is winning. And then you think about, well, how much are they winning by? By how much are they winning? They're winning by 3 at this point. If you had to just figure out just this problem, you could figure out that since the negative team is winning by 3, the answer will be negative 3. But let's figure out the rest of it. You got a negative 3 here, so 3 is in the negative column. In other words, the negative team scored 3. The positive team scores 6, and then the very last inning or the very last part of the game, maybe in overtime, the positive team scores 2. So here's what's going to happen. Final score of the game, the positive team scores 5, 6, and 2 is 13. 8 and 3 is 11. Who's the winner? The positive team is the winner. So first of all, when I get to the end of this problem, put your sign down first. You don't have to worry about what happens at the very end of the problem. When you look at this problem sometimes students will go, well, the signs are different, or the signs are the same, or some more are different, or don't worry about any of this stuff. Who won the game? The positive team won the game. And the main question we're asking is, how much did they win by? Or by how much did they win? 13-11, they won by 2. Just another way to look at a positive and negative integer problem. And if you're a sports-related person, maybe that makes a little more sense to you. Give it a shot.